Привет, hello, and bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the July Nomakenolife box, and for some reason, I got two this month. Now I contacted them, it was an error, they double shipped my parcel. Because it's makeup, I get to keep it because I've touched both boxes. But I got a slight variation in both boxes of products, so it's kind of cool because I get to show you a few of the different options. But in any case, let us dive in. So obviously I've been away for a while, so thank you for everyone who's been patient with me in my uploading. I know it's been almost a month. My bad, since I've uploaded, but there's just a lot going on in my life right now. Planning a wedding during a pandemic is literally one of the worst things ever. And then also me living in France and not being French and trying to get all of my documentation collected and translated. It's a lot. And then also new job, probably moving, blah, blah, blah. So thank you for being patient with me. I really think mid-end July I'll be back full force, but I can't resist filming the Nomakenolife. So this month the theme is Shibuya Summer, and it looks like a really fun box. Let me open the second one on the side here. Most, I think, is it 8 items? There's only 2 that I got that are different, so just have all this energy from not filming for a while. Anyways, so the box looks like this. So the first thing I'm going to take out is this guy. This is a lip product. It's Korean. It's Vavi Mellow First Collection Lip Tint. And it's actually a beauty collab with a Japanese YouTuber called Nikki Sakino. We'll have to check that out. And you get 1 of 3 shades. I can't actually see in the little picture all 3 colors, but mine is Yaksa number 3, which is a very like wine color type of shade, and this one is the same for me in both boxes. So the packaging looks like this, and it's actually quite cool, and you just twist and oh, it smells kind of nice. It's a very interesting doe foot. I haven't seen that shape before, and oh, it's very, I'd say this is going to be perfect for fall, but a very lovely wine color, really big size. That seems super awesome to me. So that is the first item. Number 2 I'm going to take out because it's kind of cute, and there is only 2 options. So we get a retro animal eye mask. So the first one I get is this cute little kitty on a piano, and it says lovely kitten. Look, isn't this lovely? Yeah. Okay. And the second one is this cute little bunny, and it says sweet dreams. I mean, these look kind of, I don't want to say it, they look kind of cheap, like something you'd find at the dollar store. I mean, how expensive can they be really? But they're cute. I personally don't really wear eye masks, and part of that is because I have a very large head, so often when I put them on I can actually feel it pressing on my eyes. But I might give one of these a go, otherwise it's a cute little gift, but they just seem quite childish in their design, so I don't know what adult I would give this to, but in any case, cute, and these are the only 2 options available. Next, we got a spiral hair elastic and case. Yeah, I got the same in both, so just a cute little spiral, no crease, scrunchie, whatever you want to call it, in this little plastic bag. Could have done without the plastic bag because it's, well, extra. Oh my god, it's really hard to open. Oh, there's a little sticker blocking it, that's why. Yeah, so just very cute. It's kind of holographic pearl color. I really like the color, and I love these scrunchies. I might give one away because, I don't, do I need 2? I probably don't, but I also could use them both. But that's always really great to get. I find that these ones, I don't lose as often as the old school kind of scrunchies, but in any case, really cute. Mine, both ones are pink. The other option was more of a green pearlescent color. So that's nice. Next, let's take out the item that's always in a box, which is a face mask. Again, I got the same one in both. Did I? Oh no, I didn't. Ha, they just look very similar. So Innisfree, very, very famous brand. It's Korean, and we get 3, I'm dropping everything. We get 3 scents, flavors. So there's green tea, there is bamboo, and tea tree. Tea tree is really good for the skin. So I got tea tree and bamboo. I'm actually super excited for bamboo, just because that's a bit more unique, but I love Innisfree. I've tried their masks before. I love a good face mask. Awesome. Yes. Next, this is something that's very unique and I actually haven't seen before. I've seen a few like boob and butt masks start, but this is a back mask. And it seems to me, based on the pictures, it's kind of like if you get sunburn and you're burnt on the back and then you put on the back. But that's really cool and unique. I imagine, like, I just picture that like it hurts, you're hot, and you put on like from the fridge this cooling body mask. Oh, I feel like that would be really, really nice. Spent a bit too much time in the sun. This body sheet is infused with 14 different moisturizing ingredients that will help soothe and repair sunburns. I think that's awesome. And as I mentioned, I live in the south of France. It's a hot summer now. I'm gonna start going to the beach soon. This will be really nice. I'm sure it'll come in handy. And yeah, great. Next, we have this guy, so there's two products by the brand Buzz. Haven't heard it before, but it seems really cool. I really enjoy their packaging. But this is the Buzz 2-in-1 Control Stick. And both of mine are purple. Oh, I think it only comes in purple, okay. So yeah, again, packaging comes like this, quite cool, if I don't drop it. So the one side, you got this lovely purple pearlescent highlighter. I know I'll definitely use that. And on the other, we got what I would say like concealer, kind of, the color corrector. And it's this gorgeous lavender color, which will be good for what, like redness and stuff. Seems to be a nice texture, fairly light but buildable. Yeah, very cool. Haven't gotten anything like this before. Awesome. Next, we get yet another mascara. This is wild to me that I have two boxes because I have so much product. I keep trying to use up everything and I can't keep up. So this is the Volume and Curl in black, and this is by the brand Malibu Beauty. Volumizing and curling mascara. Packaging opens up like this. It's like, I find Japanese and Korean mascaras especially, well, quite a few products, they're very simple packaging. And in this world of like consumerism and oversaturated beauty, I find like packaging does play a really big role, but it shouldn't necessarily. Anyways, I like the style of the bottle. Ooh, okay. So it looks like this. It's one of those spiral brushes. Honestly, those aren't my favorite, but also it's curved, so, you know, volume and curl. Definitely gonna give it a go. I suppose if I really love it, I have a second one right away. Maybe I'll just gift the second one. So hopefully this is really, really great too, and that's just really cool, a really nice variety of items. And the last item from this box, I'm very excited to say that I got two different shades in the two boxes I received, is the Buzz Color Eyeshadow Palette. First of all, again, packaging looks super, super cool. There are 3 possible colors. So I got 1501, which is Overnight, which is the one I'm the most excited about, and 1502, which is Summer Gradation. So I'll start with 1502. It's a 10 eyeshadow palette. The packaging actually looks really lovely and enticing, and it looks like how cute is this palette, and it's got the kind of reflective purple on the back. So this is the first one, and it's definitely one of those summer nights kind of palettes, and I just think it's so cute and universal. Nice pops of color for the summer, for the late summer, early fall, those lovely evenings with the sunset, and now that bars and restaurants are opening, I feel like this is really lovely. And the one I'm more excited about, just because it's so unique compared to what I've seen recently, this is the one that's called Overnight. So again, the purple packaging, and look at these colors. It's just so fun. I just haven't seen anything like this before. It's a lot more colorful, varied, cute, exciting. Like, this is something you can really play around with, and even if you're just kind of starting out with makeup as well, it's a really nice introduction to color. They're quite gentle. This blue, I want to see how, ooh, okay, it's coming off a little bit dusty. Oh, so it's quite soft, a fair bit of fallout, which usually I would say in the Asian market, eyeshadows are a lot more subtle. I'm curious about this red. Oh. Okay, that's not bad. And maybe this mint mojito green. Yeah, they're cute. This one is just really, really unique. As far as eyeshadow palettes go nowadays, we've seen it all, and it feels like everything's constantly on repeat, especially with all the 10,000 brands. So I'm really, really stoked on these and excited to get both of them, and the packaging is just so, so nice that I'm really excited. All right, so what do we think about the month of July? Honestly, it's really great. Nomakenolife has a way of putting together boxes that's really fun. You discover something new, there's something comforting, and the variety lately especially has just been top notch. I don't really know what to say. My least favorite is the face mask, just because meh, don't use them. Very excited about the eyeshadow palette. I feel like it's been a while since I've been excited about an eyeshadow palette. Mascara seems cool. The lip product looks really, really good, but a bit too deep for what I'm going for the summer. The face pack, great. The body pack, the mask, very unique. Never seen anything like that. The kind of corrector, interesting. I'll try it. I'm not sure it's my shade, but overall, just really, really super fun. Like, what can I say? I'm very happy. This was very worth it. I'm very lucky that I accidentally got 2 boxes, but I love Nomakenolife. It's still the one I look forward to the most. Like I said, they always have competitions. Their customer service is excellent. They respond so quickly. So yeah, I super duper recommend it. Can't say much more. If you're looking for that box that's unique and surprising and full of cool products every month, this is it. Yeah. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you. And thank you again for being patient with me while I'm figuring out my life and trying to get back in order with filming and uploading. If you haven't already, definitely please do subscribe to my channel. Still new and growing. Actually, I think I just passed 1 year on YouTube. I think my first video was the very end of June, which is crazy. And it's my 2-year anniversary in France now. So there's a lot going on. But yeah, I'd be very happy to have you along on this journey with me. If you haven't already, definitely follow me on, what's my handle? Slavic Chic on Instagram. Again, gonna be back into uploading full force on Instagram also shortly. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if you have this box, what you got in yours, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!